Check out my new setup I've got my for my drone. Got a quad lock on the back of here. Haven't tried it yet, hoping it clicks on here. Yeah. So turn that on. It's just so I can see the drone as I'm flying it, to see if it's tracking me or not. Last thing I want to do is fucking lose this thing. But there is a high chance that I will, because I'm not that careful. Oh, it looks so nice. Might just move away from it so it can see me. I've got an SD card. Got an SD card in my oh no, there's a magpie there. It's going to attack him. Lost me already. What I might do is I might just put it right behind me. Like here. Yeah, that's better already. Just cruise through. It's kind of struggling to keep up with me though. Needs to be higher. Almost fucking hit that car. Fuck, that was a close call, man. Almost running into a car. Lucky. It's good I can see that it's aware that it's close to the trees. Yeah, I might put it up a bit higher. Just so you can get a view. Oh, it keeps going down. interested to know what the what the drone did when when that car came around the corner. Oh, there's a power line there. I'm glad it didn't crash into a power line. Right behind me. It's so cool. I will take the bike out onto the grass, right over to there by the walkway. I'm interested to see if the drone will lose track of me and then stay behind. Or should I be a normal person and park in the car park? Nah. Oh man, what a beautiful day.
The ocean of the mind is wide. Mysteries I cannot hide. Storms within and calm I find. The sea is me, the sea's inside. Sinking slow, rising high. Answers drift but won't comply. In the silence I can hear the voice of truth is drawing near.